5 Best Stick Vacuums. Dibea Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Portable 2-in-1 Cordless Stick. With a rotatable cleaning head, easy to clean closer to walls and edges, under beds, sofas, kickstands. Equipped with convenient docking station. It used for charging, storing the machine and holding the additional attachments. So it is always ready. Carbon fiber rolling brush, sweep all kinds of dust effectively. 2-speed control, efficient and thorough cleaning in different occasions. Dibea F6 2-inch-1 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Upright Stick. Suitable for cleaning on hardwood, carpet, tile floors, car, bed, etc. 2-speed control, efficient and thorough cleaning in different occasions. Cordless design, you can clean everywhere without tangling. Ergonomic handle design, easy to lift up. Power, 120 watts. Voltage, 22.2 volts. Dibea C17 Portable 2-in-1 Cordless Stick Handheld Vacuum. Featured with 2 additional rotary cleaning head, Dibea C17 2-inch-1 wireless vacuum cleaner is creatively designed to clean closer to walls and edges, under beds, sofas, kickstands, more convenient to clean the tiny slit. Carbon fiber rolling brush with 2-speed control, it sweep all kinds of dust effectively in different occasions. 2-inch-1 handheld rod provides 2 style vacuums. PUPPYOO Cordless Handheld and Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Product type, handheld vacuums. Remote control, no. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Certification, S. Dust storage type, Cyclone dust bucket, dust box. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M, wireless. Installation, handspike, handheld. Stick vacuum cleaner for home wireless aspirator lithium charging WP511. Brand name, PUPPYOO. Remote control, no. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Certification, GS. Model number, WP511. Dust storage type, Cyclone dust bucket, dust box. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, M, wireless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.